Cocoa Krispies shot glasses. You're like, what? What, y'all making shot glasses out of cereal? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Okay, so pot, grab some butter, okay? Because you need some butter up in your drink. You see what I'm saying? Okay, we melt that butter. Melted butter. Are they cooking food or are they making a drink? Okay, is there a difference? Is there a difference? Okay, then we put in some marshmallows, okay, into our little stew. Trying to fatten you guys up, okay? Butter and marshmallows, all right? It's a Harry Potter diet, homeboy. Okay, all we need now is some buttered rum and we're good to go. Then we get some Cocoa Krispies. Look at them fall in slow motion, okay? Imagine that. Make it rain, Cocoa Krispies style. All right, so we stir it up. You see how soupy and sticky it turns? Okay, and that is gonna allow us to make our shot glass more. I know a lot of y'all looking, that looks gross. Open your mind, homeboy. We cooking here, okay? Non-stick spray. Grab a blob of that blob, sticky as hell. Put it in, you see what I'm saying? A blob of the blob, okay, and then we push it in. All right, this is a cookie tray. I forgot, yes, cookie tray. And then we refrigerate it, okay? So this isn't baked, it's cold. Slip them out, bang. Now all we gotta do is seal the inside with some melted chocolate and we're good to go, okay? Melted chocolate. I know y'all going, well, I don't want all that butter on my Cocoa Krispies. Okay, homeboy, you know what in Cocoa Krispies? No one does, exactly. Even the dudes who make it don't know what's in it, okay? So you have no idea what you're eating, so you need to chill. Beautiful, pour in our little mix, delicious.